Today's going to be a busy day. Bike ride with Chris. Picking up the heaviest tripod in the world in London. Somehow riding back home with said tripod. Ride back home quick enough that I have some daisy time.
Fuck off, you flying fucker.
Just do the thing.
What thing?
The thing we invented in Australia.
It'll work eventually. No bugs coming near me.
So I'm guessing you watched my 5 reasons you need a gravel bike. And that's why you got one?
Oh, what, mate? Obviously, yeah. What's reason number 1? Come on, quick fire, 1 sec.
I can't remember.
Reason number 1, you can do this.
Disclaimer, not every gravel bike does that.
Special feature.
Is that how it works?
This is actually quite cool and relevant because I was looking at some mountain bike parts before. Because as a lot of you know that I want to get a mountain bike, and these are really popular, dropper posts. So when you're doing technical bits of descent and stuff, you can press a button, your seat post goes down, and then you can get further off the back of the bike without a seat post up your arse.
Seat post up your arse, been there. Morocco.
There's Rob's seat post as well.
Basically, it's cable controlled and it's all done in the left-hand shifter. I'm running one by. All the shifting is done on the rear mech through the right-hand shifter. If you're in Europe, left-hand shifter. Because they do the shifters for both sides for GRX. Same with the dropper shifter, they do this for left and right side, so you could have double dropper shifter, but no gear changing.
If you've got 2 seat posts.
If you've got 2 seat posts, you know, 2 parts. So there's a cable that goes down there, up there, and then when you pull that, push weight on it, it goes down, pull it, it goes up.
What if you've got a double on the front?
I don't think Shimano GRX have yet done it, so you could do
mountain bike group sets maybe, they've got an extra button, haven't they?
So mountain bike group sets can do it, but like I wanted to put Di2 GRX on this at some point, but I don't think I can have GRX Di2 with a drop seat post unless I run it one by. I mean, there's probably something coming out from Shimano that we don't know about.
Yeah, they tend to release stuff by surprise.
It's like boom.
So mission number 2 of today, filming on the GoPro because my big camera's in the bag. Picking up a massive tripod that may or may not be able to be carried home. Apparently it's massive. Proper big lad tripod. We lost.
We're in London, we're in Chelsea. That's about as much as I can tell you, to be honest with you.
Ferrari.
Where?
Missed it.
Oh, we're so fast. It's not a jizz shake, is it?
Uh-oh.
Make sure that doesn't fall.
It's pretty aero.
Is it aero?
Yeah.
I'm not even halfway. It's getting heavy. I mean, it was heavy to start with.
Mate, you're going to have ripped shoulders.
It's 100 kilos.
Wait, I thought it was 10 kilos
100
earlier.
kilos. It's like carrying an extra bike.
Oh yeah.
More than it's like double. It's like carrying 2 extra bikes on your back.
You saying this bike weighs 100 kilos? It's a wasp. There. He's got it.
You're doing a stupid thing tomorrow.
Yeah. I'm just going to go ride up Swains for at least 6 hours.
You're going to do an Everest up Swains.
It's 131 reps, I think it is, or 135 reps to Everest it. I'll see how I feel after 6 hours. If I feel like shit, I'll stop. I'd like to do 107, that'd be quite cool.
I might come and see you.
Yeah, keep me in the loop.
But also I'm going out tonight.
Oh yeah, say happy anniversary to mum and dad.
I will. Not gonna lie, this thing's getting pretty heavy now. 3/4 of the way home. It's like a weird type of training though, isn't it? I'll take this off and then I'll be flying. Maybe.
I think this is the heaviest tripod in the world. It's not like a good shape for carrying either. Fell asleep on the sofa. It's family dinner time.
I had a good blood on it.
Sick, right?
Pretty cool. I like stones in my shit.
It's gonna be late.
Already late. We ate. So much for a sunset walk home.
I've eaten a lot of food.
Why are you putting a mask on, Francis?
We're getting an Uber home because we're lazy.
I've got blisters. Oh, that's a good angle, isn't it?
Yeah, we're not really lazy. You got blisters on your feet.
Oh, everywhere.
Walk over there because you walk really funny. Back on the sofa again. I'm pretty exhausted. Carrying that massive tripod home, and then I was helping my dad yesterday move a bunch of boxes. It's basically like doing a gym session. My shoulders are wrecked. I haven't got any of those muscles anyway because all I do is ride a bike. I'm like the epitome of a stereotypical weedy armed cyclist. Thank you very much, Jack, for the tripod, who I didn't get on film, but he runs a pretty sick cafe up in town. I really need a bit of a rest. I've been just making videos, riding, sleeping on repeat for the last 2 weeks since I've been up north basically. So I'm gonna have a couple of days just chilling, rest up the legs, recruit all of those gains, and yeah, I'll be flying afterwards. Just want to say a big thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys soon.